Hey guys, ladies and gents, say a little talk for everybody, but mostly some ladies out there can relate to this. When our woman cravings kick in and we're looking for something to cure that craving, we kind of want everything. And sometimes we can eat everything and nothing works. So anyway, I just thought I wanted to share this with you, and you're going to share it with me for the first time. I have the friend who, when she comes over, she always brings me something really good, and I've loved absolutely everything she's brought. Well, this time she brought me something I've never tried before, and if I'd seen it at the store, I'm kind of wondering if it's something that I would have actually taken off the shelf and put it in the cart. So this is what I'm talking about. It looks really good, and I'm excited to try it. It's Nature's Garden, and they are probiotic strawberries. Strawberry Yoggies. I kind of like that name. It's a fun name. Powered by plants. And it's coated with creamy yogurt. Yoggies is kind of a fun, catchy name. But what I found interesting was it has 2 billion probiotic cultures, 3 grams of fiber, no artificial ingredients. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to read the back of it. Sorry if it's crunching too loud. So the back of it says, what are yoggies? Sorry. Yoggies are individual real fruit pieces that have been covered in our delectably smooth yogurt for a chew that's sweet and smooth. But what makes our yoggies even better is the billions of probiotics tucked away inside. So while you're enjoying the yogurt tang, our probiotics will work to ensure your digestive system remains in tip-top shape. Nature's Garden Probiotic Yoggies snack with a purpose. That's kind of a cool thing. And I haven't opened them yet, so let's give it a shot. I'll take these off now. Yes, I'm all casual, okay? I don't always dress frilly and wear makeup all the time, okay? Oh my gosh. First, you gotta get into them. They smell good already, like strawberries. Okay, and they are individually wrapped as stated on the package. And hello. I think you have the wrong number. No, this isn't KHOW 103.1 radio. Who are we asking for? Vampira. She is not at this number. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, it's Maria Tintelli. Yes. Okay, thanks. Yeah, bye. Ignore that. Okay, so here we go. Sorry guys, I can't see. Without my glasses, where's soap? I give up. There's usually a tear place here, and I probably missed it. And let's just get into it. How about just do that? Okay. I gotta read the instructions on that. Okay, well, I tell you, just opening up this, you can smell it. But now opening this up, it smells like strawberries, fresh strawberries. And they're cute. They're cute too. Some cute little bites. Let's try it. Mmm. Oh wow. That's really good. Okay, I like this. Hello. You won't want one. Not everything's for you. These are mama treats. These are mama treats. I don't think you need probiotics. Really, really. No, you're not going to eat that. You're licking it. You're licking it. Go figure. They're not cat treats, but he seems to be fascinated by them. Okay. Mama treats. You have your own. All right. I have to say, they're kind of addictive. And it's really good. What did I say? You can't have them. You know. I like them. They're good. So thank you to my friend who brought these for me. And I'm glad she did. And bring them to my attention. Obviously they smell really good. Because my cat keeps wanting to eat a baby. Now I can't eat that one. Can I have one? Anyway, you guys, I guess this is a thumbs up. Definitely a recommend. It's enough to cure that. You want something sweet, craving, but it's not like over the top sweet. So, no more. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to stop and smell the flowers. You knew I was corny. Have a great one, guys. I'll catch you next time. And definitely a thumbs up on this one. I like it. Ciao. Oh, these are good. There's more. There's more. Oh, I'm still recording.